Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot using knuckle gesture. As always, Huawei devices supports knuckle gestures, so if you want to take a screenshot, just you can click, I don't know, knock on your screen with your knuckle bone, so just knock twice, and in this way you can take a screenshot, or for example you can just knock and draw the circle or other figure to take non-standard figure screenshot, for example. Now you can save it by click on the right top corner, and then in gallery you'll have this strange screenshot, right? In the same way, you can do the long screenshot, for example, in settings. Click scroll shot, and you can scroll. Of course, it's a bit difficult to take a scroll shot on the, on the white screen, but it's possible. So that's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please consider to leave a like and a comment below.